Hey, what's up everybody? Jack Mini Trades back here again with another video, and today we're going to be doing an update review and unboxing of the dBrand Killswitch. I just got this in the mail today. This is the updated version of the Killswitch with the new revised mechanical kickstand rather than the original magnetic kickstand. I have been using the old magnetic kickstand version pretty much since I got it, and I've had no real major issues, but for those of you guys who have had issues with the magnetic kickstand because you had the older type of fan, this is going to fix all of those issues, so let's get straight into it. So you're going to get a box that looks like this, and inside you will have the dBrand Killswitch down here. You'll also get this piece here, which it's something to do with the Steam Deck dock. So if you want to use the Steam Deck dock with the Killswitch, you can basically just put it in here and it'll kind of slim down the profile of it so that way it can fit into docks easier. I believe that's sort of why that's there. And again, to help you out with docks, they give you a little USB-C extender. So you can just plug this on the top and that'll extend the top of it so that way you can use those really harsh 90-degree angle plugs that come with the Steam Deck docks. Alright, so now here we have the Steam Deck with the brand new version of the Killswitch installed, and next to it we have the old dBrand Killswitch with the magnetic stand. So one thing that I want to say straight off the bat is that I wasn't actually expecting to like the mechanical one better, but one thing that did bother me about the old magnetic version is how easy it is to remove the kickstand. So if you are going to be traveling with this a lot and you're throwing it into your bag, this kickstand comes off all the time on the old magnetic version. So that was kind of a little bit of a frustration, although I did like the fact that it was so easy to take off. You just pull it off and then slap it on. But in addition to some people having issues with the magnetic mount here interfering with their fan, there was also issues as far as trying to travel with this. You could knock it off really easily. So that was a little bit unfortunate. But with this new mechanically attached variant, you can try all you want. This thing is not going anywhere. And that's a really cool thing. The other thing that's nice is that it has been slightly improved as far as the design of the kickstand. You can see it's been beefed up a little bit right here. And the rubber foot has been pretty much unchanged. But that's what it looks like. Similar strength as far as opening and closing. So that's nice to see. I really didn't have any issues with that. But like I said, this is a very, very strong connection where the old magnetic version would fall off pretty easily. So that's a really good update to see. And as I said, they also give you this piece here, which is sort of an adapter for anybody who has a Steam Deck dock. So all you would have to do is just put this in here, and now you have a flat, thinner profile surface that you can put the Steam Deck onto a dock. And then all you would have to do is just take this USB-C extender, stick it in the top, and now you can easily attach any of your dock cables. So another thing that's nice about this mechanical hinge is that taking it off, all you have to do is just rotate it 45 degrees and pull out. And now we have a little mount system here. As you can see, the stand itself has the same pattern. This will allow for new modules to be created. So dBrand has already said that in addition to this little kickstand here that they give you, there are also going to be in the future some brand new accessories that will fit onto this mount. So that's really something that's kind of interesting. I'm excited to see what they come out with next. One thing that you kind of lose out on as far as functionality is that you really can't attach the kickstand any other way than how it's originally put on. You really can't have it mounted sideways anymore. It really pretty much only mounts vertically now, which isn't really a major issue for me, but it is something to note if you were somebody who liked being able to take this and rotate it 90 degrees. You can't really do that anymore. And as you would expect, if you have the dBrand travel cover here, this will, of course, work with the new version of the case, so you don't have to buy a new one if you already have one. But huge shout out to dBrand for giving free replacements of the dBrand Killswitch to those of us who ordered the original magnetic version. I think that's a really awesome thing that they did, and something that really gives a good feeling knowing that they back their products in a way that if they do create something that isn't up to their standards, they will actually make it right by providing a replacement that actually functions as intended with no issues whatsoever. And like I said, in my opinion, this is actually a pretty huge upgrade over the original one. So overall, I would say that I recommended the original one, and now that we have this new version, which is the only version you can actually buy, I would recommend this even more. So very exciting to see. Hope you guys like checking this out with me. And with that being said, please remember to like, comment, and share this video with all of your friends who have Steam Decks and are looking for the absolute best case possible for the Steam Deck. I can't say enough good things about the dBrand Killswitch, so I will catch you guys in the next video.